Do you want to make money by completing online surveys, but not sure how it works or where to start? This video will teach you how online surveys work, how much you can earn, where to start, and what payment methods survey websites offer. An online survey is a research method used to collect data and opinions from a targeted group of individuals by companies and organizations. Many companies and organizations use online surveys to gather feedback from their customers, evaluate products or services, and understand market trends. Individuals can also participate in online surveys to earn money or rewards, as survey platforms offer incentives for completing surveys. Survey participants typically answer questions by selecting predefined options, rating scales, or providing open-ended responses. The data collected from online surveys is analyzed to draw conclusions, identify patterns, and make decisions. The amount you can earn from online surveys varies depending on several factors, including the survey platform, the length and complexity of the surveys, and the number of surveys you qualify for and complete. Online surveys are not a get-rich-quick scheme, but they can be a good way to supplement your income or earn some extra cash or rewards. The amount you earn per survey can range from a few cents to a few dollars per survey, with longer and more specialized surveys offering higher payouts. While it's difficult to estimate an exact earning potential, many survey participants report earning anywhere from a few dollars to a few $100s per month, depending on their dedication and the availability of surveys. To maximize your earnings, it's important to sign up for reputable survey platforms, complete your profile accurately, and be consistent in checking for new survey opportunities. You can start taking surveys from international survey websites like Swagbucks, Timebucks, FreeCash, and after getting experience, you can try different websites as well. Also, you can try survey apps like AttaPoll and PollPay. Joining more survey websites and apps means more opportunities and more earnings. Survey platforms offer compensation in the form of PayPal cash, crypto, bank transfer, gift cards, or other rewards for completing surveys. You can also join our Telegram chat group, link in the description and first comment, to discuss anything related to making money online. Before trying any survey websites or apps, watch my video on how to qualify for online surveys. I explain why beginners get disqualified and how to create the best survey profile to qualify for more surveys. After watching this video, you will be fully prepared to take online surveys without getting disqualified too often. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.